Alright, hey guys, today I'm going to be announcing my 500 subscriber giveaway. For this giveaway, I'm going to be giving away a total of 5 items to 2 people. There will be a first and second place winner. The first place winner is going to be winning 4 Scale Trains Evans USRE boxcars. The 4 paint schemes that I've chosen are the Air Force, the A Day America Will Never Forget, the We Support Our Troops, and the God Bless America cars. And then the second place winner is going to be getting a Scale Trains Evans USRE boxcar in the standard Wisconsin and Southern paint scheme. These Scale Trains boxcars are probably one of my favorite cars because they are so useful and inexpensive. For only $14.99, you get a well-designed kit that is easy to put together with metal wheels. I even put sound in one of them using a Tsunami sound card decoder. The rules for this giveaway are you must be subscribed to my channel and make sure that your subscription status is public. I'll leave a link in the description to how to make your subscription status public if you don't know how. You must be located in the Continental US. There is no purchase necessary. You must leave a comment saying I'm in or something along those lines. All other comments will be removed. Entries are accepted as soon as this video is live. Entries must be in by June 23rd at midnight, and the winner will be announced on June 27th at noon. The winner must send me an email to my email address, which is in the description of this video, with shipping information using the same Google account used to make the comment on the giveaway video. And the winner will have 1 week to contact me with shipping information. If the winner fails to do this after 1 week, a new winner will be selected at random. All entries are selected at random by a random comment picker. So be sure to put in your entries in the comments below.